Office Trekam Jongka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills haka thong ban kintio ya kapuli puthi hapo ka district kat kumbala bu thong bat pruit dak haka Right to Education Act 2009 haka arpho trik leber klapan long ya ka program ai jinghikai kyrpang nagabanta ki principal ki head teacher jengki school ha Inclusive Education Resource Center IERS mi mintudu Kathong jong ka program kalong ban penshai bat penso tho eki principal head teacher jong ki school shaphang ka kamram ki board pet board penya jong ki school haka jia dei bat ki khynnah badan jing duna haki department badru kyrpang shaphang ki hok jong ki khynnah katkum ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 Ki Rio Start Rio Champang ke SSA West Jaintia Hills Bakantup ya ka Mary G. Moment Block Resource Person IE Ringkat ULK Singh Coordinator IE SSA West Jaintia Hills kilakran berbatai Sapang ke Inclusive Education badru ya ki arphuai tali ki jajing pang kiba panhap hapo kaan Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 Kane ke program jinghikai ni training kandang beteng hadok arphuai bat arphu artarek leber dakaba penlong yaka today's teacher need analysis training on inclusive education katba ha ka arphulai tarik pat kandan ka orientation program for parents guardian of CWS and on inclusive education.
But how do they get the education? How do they get the education? These children. We are talking about children with special needs. This children with special needs in the past, in the 1890s, up to 2000, you can say, up to 20s. These children, at that time, these children, before the inclusive education come up, these children are engaged in the special school. Their education is done in the special school. What does it mean when we say special school? A special school means it's meant only for a specified disability. For example, a children with blind. A children with blind. These children do their education well. In a school for the blind. Which caters only for the blind. Right? So that means it's a special school only for them. Means that a children with other disability cannot come to the school with the blind. So that's why that school is said to be a special school. Which is only for the blind or the low vision. Or when you talk about a child with hearing impaired, he can't hear. Then again, a special school for them, a school for the children with hearing impairment. So that is a special school only for them. For children with special needs, what is that benchmark? That how can you say a person is disabled? Is a person with one eye disabled? One eye blind?
Yes.
Disabled. It's blind? Oh, sorry. It's disabled?
Yes.
With one eye blind?
Disabled, yes.
Don't disabled? Meaning of disabled.
Yes, sir.
That's what it has to be. There should be a benchmark of that. So the medical practitioners, how do they certify whether the child is disabled or not? There should be a percentage for that. So the benchmark disability for a person to certify as a disabled children or a disabled person has to be a 40% above. Then we shall consider a child or a person as a disabled.